What's up, guys? It's Jared the Tech Avenger here. Today we got something exciting from Apple, and I'm pretty sure you guys know what it is. We picked it up today, and I'm going to reveal it to you guys right now. It's the iPad Pro. Now, we got the 11-inch Wi-Fi 64GB version, and so far it looks pretty awesome. Like, I'm super excited to get into this and give you guys our initial impressions on the device itself. We will be having a full review in the next coming days, so be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can get all the up-to-date information on that. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Roll it. Alright guys, we're gonna unbox this in style here. So okay guys, that was honestly a fail. So we're just gonna open it up like a normal person, except I only have my sword here, so don't got a knife, but whatever. Let's peel this plastic off like so. Oh, that feels really good. Honestly, I'm pretty sure it sounds great to all you ASMR weirdos out there. I'm just playing. We don't discriminate here. If that's what you're into, that's cool. So we got the iPad Pro 11-inch Wi-Fi 64GB version for you guys. Let us take off the box right now. I'll just show you guys what's inside if I can get this off. Yeah, just take a little bit of time. Yeah, okay, I'm struggling here. I'm struggling. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Come on, crap. Oh, okay, there we go. That was honestly a struggle. This is the first iPad that I've purchased in a long time now. I've been rocking the iPad Mini too for quite a while. But this new design has kind of forced me to make that decision here. The bezels are completely reduced, and it's all screen all around, so no home button at all. Put that to the side there. But we have the instruction booklet, standard Apple stuff. No one reads it, whatever. Put that to the side. What we have here, though, is the USB-C power adapter. It's an 18-watt USB-C power adapter. There's no more lightning in this iPad Pro, and I'm pretty sure this is the direction that Apple is moving in. And we got the 1 meter power cable as well to USB-C, standard stuff. That is all we get in the box here. So that's it. Let us pull off the plastic from this thing. Okay, you guys ready for this? Here we go. Yes. Okay, that sounds good. I got it. But more importantly, guys, this thing feels great. The screen, the bezels, they're just big enough to hold, but they're not that big. On the back here, we have this little magnetic receptacle as well too. I'm not sure what it does, but we'll take a look at that later on and let you guys know. I'll switch the angle over here so you guys can get a better view of the iPad. On the bottom, we have the USB-C port as well as the bottom firing speakers. And it also has it on the top. I'll show you that in a second. But on the side here, we got this little area for the pen, which we will be picking up as well too. It's magnetic, and it does charge the pen as well, which is pretty cool. Over here, we got the volume rocker keys at the very top. I like the placement of this. It won't get in the way. And on the top here, we got two top firing speakers as well too. Yeah, same as the bottom. And then we got the two mics as well, and the power button as well. So I think we covered all the sides here. Okay, and I'll place that flat down. And while this is powering on, I just want to say we appreciate all you guys spending time to come check out our channel. We'd love to have you guys join our Team Tech Avenger family. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We have tech reviews and how-tos, and we will be having a full review on this iPad as well. We just want to help you guys make informed decisions, you know? That's all we're about. So hit us up on Twitter and Instagram as well too. We pretty much are always active there. So here we go. Let's get into this. Select English. find our country, and we'll set this up manually. Already I'm loving the display. It looks gorgeous, but we'll hook it up to our Wi-Fi and then we'll come back here. Okay guys, so we have it all set up here. We'll just go through the standard Apple setup process, but while we're doing that, yeah, it does have Face ID, so that's great. No more home button, and I will talk about that as well. But now that it has USB-C, guys, let's not get ahead of ourselves. Like, this is definitely a step in the right direction, but just because it has USB-C does not mean it's compatible with every USB-C accessory. Let me just put my Apple ID here. It's gonna take some time to get there, but yeah, step in the right direction. I really like that Lightning is going away. I can't wait for the day I can just use one cable for everything. Okay, I skipped through all that nonsense. Let's go. Welcome to iPad. Let's swipe up. Here we are, guys. Here it is, the iPad Pro with its standard setup screen. Now, I said this before and I'll say it again, the display is just gorgeous. It pops, it looks great. But the one thing I did notice here is look at these icons, like they are so spread out. And that's one thing I don't like about this, just off the bat here. The icons are so spread out, there's too much unused space on this iPad. And that's not good for a device with this big and this good of a screen. I don't like that, and I really hope that Apple changes that. I wish there was a way that we can shrink the icons or make more space for more icons on one page. But yeah, this device is flying, guys. It's nice. I really like it, and I'm coming from an iPad Mini 2, which is a really old device, and it's slow. It lags, but I mean, I think this is a warranted upgrade if I choose to go that route. I like the design as well too. It's way better than the iPad Mini in terms of design and aesthetics. I just love that flat look, the whole reminiscent of the iPhone 4. I just love the flat look. And look at this. The multitasking actually does use the full screen to its advantage, so I like that. It looks different from the iPhone. That's cool. You can see a lot of pages on one screen. But yeah, like I said, like the design of it, aesthetically, it's amazing. I like the flat look. That's how a tablet should be designed. There should be no rounded backside or anything like that. Anything that you can't like keep it on a table lying flat or anything like that. But you can also hold this in any kind of orientation. You can hold it in landscape on both sides, portrait on both sides, and you won't even notice if it's upside down or anything like that. It doesn't matter. And for the first time, that's great on this iPad. You can see there's the little camera for the Face ID, and also the front facer as well. And we will be testing all of this stuff out, guys, in the full review. I will probably leave it with Bing to take a look at it and play around with it. But as for my initial impressions, I love this device. It's awesome. It feels great to hold, and hopefully we'll be able to get you guys a review in the next coming week here. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed that unboxing and initial impressions on the iPad Pro. We already have fingerprints on this thing. It's completely covered in fingerprints, and it's only been a day. But we will save our opinions for the full review. I will be giving this to Bing to play around with for the next couple of days as well too, so he can weigh in and give his opinion on the device, and we will have this review out to you soon. Drop a comment down below as well too. We will be reading every single comment. Let us know what you want us to test on this device. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well, guys. I'm Jared the Tech Venger. Don't forget, when it comes to tech, the Tech Vengers are there. We got your back.